Nearly 1.5 billion tons of plastics are used every day. The amount of single-use plastics used globally has tripled since the start of the pandemic. As a result, the environment is being polluted more and more as the day goes by. A solution is needed, but how? In my opinion, I suggest that the use of disposable products should be completely banned for the sake of the environment. First of all, using single-use items harm our environment. Single-use plastics, such as plastic cups and straws, are not recycled. They just break down into microparticles that contaminate our environment. Microplastics, smaller plastic particles that result from single-use plastic breaking down, pollute our sources. According to OECD, only 9% of plastic waste gets recycled. It can take up to thousands of years for plastic bags and styrofoam containers to decompose, and in the meantime, it contaminates our soil and water. If we continue to use single-use plastics, it will only result in plastic pollution. Moreover, those plastic wastes deposited in the ocean often harm animals. Sea animals and birds, such as sea turtles, often mistake plastic bags for food and consume them. These plastics, like bags and straws, choke wildlife and block animals' stomachs, which can even lead to death. Each year, about 8 million tons of plastic waste enter our oceans and threaten animal life. Therefore, I claim that disposable products should be completely banned in order to protect our environment and ecosystem. In addition, there are many alternatives that can replace single-use plastics. Reusable bags like tote bags, paper straws, and tumblers can easily replace plastics in an eco-friendly way. Reusing our own cups and containers is a good way to protect our environment and replace plastic use. Using the same containers in the same form over and over again effectively decreases the need for disposable items and prevents plastic waste from ending up in landfills or oceans. In this regard, using reusable products instead of disposable items is vital. In conclusion, I strongly claim that we should completely ban the use of disposable products. Using alternatives and not using plastics is essential for our environment and for our future.